reason why I got involved with this here, anybody could do it. You can mine it on your computer, no matter what computer you have, and it works out really well. And the fact of the matter is that just by going to the website, it'll automatically create the wallet for you, and it'll use your PC processor to start mining. Now, if you have 200 web dollars in your account, in your wallet, it'll automatically do the proof of stake mining. And they have proof of work and proof of stake, and it does it automatically. It spends 30% of its time proof of work, and then 66% of the time doing proof of stake. So if you have the 200 coins in your wallet, you'll be in good shape, and you'll be able to immediately start earning some web dollars. This requires you to purchase nothing, and you can start earning some web dollars. The good thing is that they've been put on Blockfolio. They've on multiple exchanges. They just opened up another exchange, BitRabbit, in Australia. I'm gonna give that one a shot and take a look at it. And it's good stuff. And tell me how to get a Webdollar wallet. I can only find a web page that creates them, but no idea how to save it. So, real simple. You're gonna let's bring up a browser. See if I can move this over here. I'm gonna bring this right behind me. Thing gonna make me move my head. So, if you take and you go right to Webdollar, and you're correct. You just go to the website. Let's put this here. Let's move this here. All right. So you're gonna go to webdollar.io. I mean, it doesn't cost you anything. You let your computer's running anyway. Let the browser run. You know, it's real simple. You go to webdollar.io. It's going to load up the website. Obviously, there's some basic information there. But it's also going to instantly create a wallet for you. And you'll see that in this bottom section. It instantly makes the wallet. Let's see if I can blow this up some. All right. Instantly makes the wallet for you. And you'll see that the wallet's here. Okay. So let's shrink this down a little bit. If I click on the wallet, I'll see the wallet address, so I can copy and paste that and put it on, or give it to somebody to send me money. It'll tell you how much I have available, and if you're mining, what your potential earnings could be. Now, Steve was asking, how do I save it? And this is something you're going to want to do. You want to get it saved just in case. You wipe out your cookies on your machine, on your browser, or your machine goes down, or something happens and they mess up your Internet Explorer or whatever it is. So the next thing you'll do is you'll see right here there'll be a little down arrow, right here. Okay, you click on that down arrow, and it's going to say, "Hey, you're exporting." And it's gonna let you save this file. So you're gonna put in a chip. Don't save it to your computer. All right, you never want to keep, because it has your address, and it has your private key, and it has everything you need. This way you can load it into another machine if you want. All right. So you want to put in a USB chip or something, or an SD card. Put it in your computer and do a save as. Save it to the USB chip, pull out the USB chip. Now, on here, you'll have your keys and your public, and you'll have the file necessary. So if this gets destroyed or damaged, you can bring it up again, plug this in, and you can load the file back into the Webdollar browser, and it'll bring up your wallet again. All right, so you don't lose it, because if you clear all the cache or you do something like that, you can lose your wallet, and you don't want to do that. So that's the very first thing you want to do. Now, if you want to encrypt it, you can, but if you currently encrypt your wallet, you can't get the proof of stake rewards, and that's That's the majority of the rewards. The proof of work, you're obviously competing with everybody on proof of work. Proof of stake doesn't really use any power. It's low power consumption, and it's based on how many coins you have. You'll earn based on how many coins you have. So, and you'll do that by joining a pool. So that's important. So make sure you save. All right, save your file. And then down here in the bottom, you can set up how much processing power. You can slide this little thing up and down to decide how much processing power you're going to use in proof of work. And it's as simple as that. You don't have to buy anything right now. You just computer's running. You open up your browser, start mining some $1, start collecting them. Don't cost anything. The machine's running anyway. And those of you that have won the 1,000, they'll be able to stake those coins, and they'll be able to start earning more web dollars because they have 1,000 in there. It'll start paying them based on how many web dollars they have in their wallet, scrolled away in the wallet. That entices people to save their web dollars because they can make more by letting them be staked in there. If I sell them, if a guy has 1 million web dollars, he can make 1,000 coins a day, type of thing. And if they sell them, if they sell their coins, then they can't make those thousands a day, or that 1,000 web dollars a day. So, it entices people to hold them. That's the strategy behind it. They get the web dollars, and nobody wants to send. The ones that do sell them, it helps bring the price up. Hopefully, web dollar will do real well. But that's the concept behind it. And try it out. You don't have to go buy any right now. If you want to, there's plenty of exchanges. They're priced really well. But the fact of the matter is that I mine. Keep thinking of Finding Nemo with the seagulls. Mine. So you can just mine them for now and get used to it, learn how it works. If you see things going, or you really believe in the project, you can go to Telegram. Then if you want to put a few dollars into it, and go, that's your choice. You'll make the decision, but play with it first. See if it's something that's worthwhile, and go from there. You never know. It's a long shot right now. It's a to buy the coins would be considered a high risk venture at the moment. To mine them doesn't cost you anything, so there's no risk involved whatsoever. So it'd be silly not to mine them. That's how I see it. So that's my answer to your question. I hope I answered it well.